A new metal that floats on water? Yes.
This breakthrough belongs to a new frontier called surface structuring.
A breakthrough like this could reshape transportation, engineering, even survival at sea. These nano-ridges create a super hydrophobic skin, a surface so water-repellent, droplets can't even touch it. But here's the real trick. These microstructures trap a thin, permanent layer of air beneath the metal. Air is far lighter than water. This trapped layer gives the metal an unexpected superpower, buoyancy. This effect is known as the cassie-baxter state, where water sits on air instead of touching the surface. Regular metal sinks because water displaces the air instantly, flooding every surface, every gap, every pore. But engineered nano-ridges change everything. They stop water from gripping the metal, forcing it to slide off instantly.
To carve these nano-ridges, aspire Femtosecond.
These laser-carved structures are so small, they're tinier than bacteria. Fragile coatings, these nano-patterns are etched into the metal itself, making them incredibly durable. Even if the metal is scratched or punctured, the air layer reforms instantly, restoring buoyancy in milliseconds. Even under crushing pressure, this metal refuses to sink.
It can't sink because water never replaces the air trapped beneath it.
Scientists use titanium and aluminum, but transform them with this nano-surface technology. This breakthrough belongs to a new frontier called surface structuring. The idea actually comes from nature, from the water-repelling lotus leaf. Lotus leaves repel water using tiny waxy bumps, creating natural hydrophobicity. Scientists took that natural pattern and upgraded it into something far more advanced. For years, we simply didn't have tools precise enough to carve structures this small. Everything changed when ultra-fast lasers arrived, finally giving us nanoscale control. When they tested it, the metal stayed floating for months without sinking. If metal can float, imagine entire vehicles built from it. Now picture boats made from this metal, so buoyant they're practically impossible to sink. Rescue pods built from this metal could stay afloat forever, even in the harshest seas. Imagine drones that land on water and never sink, no matter the conditions. Scale this metal up, and entire floating platforms become possible. Even houses could stay afloat, protecting families during floods. Military gear could stay afloat too. No more lost equipment underwater.
Aircraft panels made from this metal could keep planes afloat after emergency landings.
Floating bridges could form instantly. No anchors, no supports needed.
Even power plants could float, providing electricity during floods or disasters.
With floating metal, global shipping could shift to platforms that never sink.
Entire neighborhoods could drift safely, rising and falling with the tides.
With unsinkable metal, oceans become usable land, ready for cities. This tech could also clean oceans by supporting giant floating filters. With this metal, disasters hurt less, and survival becomes easier. All from one idea: metal that floats because it holds onto air. Floating metal is just the start.